Oh, there we go. You guys are in. Oh, we got two there. Nice. Just lift them up, guys. Yeah. Grab the leader and lift them in.
Yeah.
Oh. Few nanagai coming up. Another fish there.
Worth the weight, mate. Go on.
Alright. What do you got here, mate? Big fish.
Back's killing me.
Back's killing you? This has got to be pretty solid. How much line you got out there? You back to that? Oh, here it comes. Yeah, I got it. Oh, he's a big fish. You got a big fish. Big cod, is it? Yeah, big cod. Yeah, gaff, please.
Marty!
Hey, just in the mouth, mate. In the mouth. That's it. Wow, hey.
Fucking Jesus, Marty! Holy fuck! What are you doing with that? That's how it's done by the time.
Too big. That's too big.
He's not too big. Huh? No, you can keep him if you want.
Well, you want to see someone flip out?
Well, the thing is, they don't.
Like D. Hawkins, or get back
I hate killing them, but they don't often live when you catch them out of the deep water, so they're very good to eat. There's nothing wrong with them.
Better get the gaff ready over here, right? For the big fella.
We'll get your fish. So, what we got? They're on at the front too. Bloody hell.
Oh yeah.
What do we got, boys? What do you reckon? What are you calling?
I'm going big snapper.
Big snapper?
Here comes one, here comes two.
Here comes two. Oh, big pinky. And another big pinky.
Hang on, one line.
Yep, it's all good. Yours is around the other one here. Alright, hang on a second. Put him on video there. Right. We're going to have to pretty much call it stumps after this drift. Yes, it's full, so... I'll check this one out.
You better drop that one and get mine.
Yep, hang on. There we go, how's that?
Oh, nice.
Why catch one when you can catch 16? Alright, cleaned up again. What do you reckon, guys?
Awesome.
Awesome. Yeah, no, it was
Unreal.
top of it. What did we get? We got a 17.6 kilo cod, 12.7 kilo red bonnie, new boat record. Another big 9 kilo nanny guy. Awesome. Okay, a lot of fillet in there, guys.